10.8 ratio test for convergence. So if the series of a sub n has a positive term and the limit of a of n plus 1 over a n, if it's less than 1, it converges. If it's greater than 1, it diverges. And if it equals 1, it fails. That's all you need to know. So for the ratio test, all we're doing is getting a of n and a sub n plus 1 and dividing it and finding if the series is 1 greater than 1 or less than 1. So let's say we have the series 4n over n factorial. So this, we already know this is a sub n. We get a sub n plus 1. All we do is every time there's an n, we do plus 1. So n plus 1 factorial. So we just take the limit as n approaches infinity of a sub n plus 1 and a sub n, and that equals the limit as n approaches infinity. So a sub n plus 1 is 4 n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial, and we're dividing it by n, but if it's a factor, if you multiply the reciprocal, it's the same as dividing it. So the reciprocal of this is n factorial over 4n. So if we multiply across, we get the limit as n approaches infinity, 4n minus 1 minus plus 1 minus plus 0 and n factorial 1 over n plus 1 n factorial. And that is the same as 4 over n plus 1. And that is 0 and 0 is less than 1. So because it's less than 1, the series converges. We just take the limit of this, and that equals 0. And because it's less than 1, it converges.